Did Apple completely forget about the Apple TV? During their massive annual developer conference, we saw huge updates. The iPhone got a ton of love. The iPad and the Mac received amazing new features. Even the Apple Vision Pro had its own special moment in the spotlight. But if you watched the whole event, you probably noticed something strange. The Apple TV barely got a single mention. It felt like the company just abandoned its television box entirely. But do not worry. Apple did not forget about you or your living room. A brand new operating system is coming to your Apple TV later this year. It is called tvOS 27. This update is secretly packed with a massive list of new features. Some changes are hidden deep inside the system. Other changes will completely transform how you watch television every single day. We are getting huge speed boosts, new apps, and better audio. Today, we're going to dive into everything you need to know about this major upgrade. Let's start with the absolute best change you will notice right away. Apple heavily focused on system performance this year. They wanted to make sure all their devices feel blazing fast. The Apple TV got a huge boost from this new focus. The moment you update to tvOS 27, your box will feel like a totally new machine. Applications will now launch much faster than they ever did before. In fact, Apple says apps can open up to 30% quicker on this new software. This is a game changer for your daily use. You will spend far less time staring at boring loading screens. You can jump straight into Netflix, YouTube, or Hulu without any annoying delays. Even in the very early testing phases, this speed bump is super noticeable. The whole system feels incredibly snappy. It will probably get even faster by the time the final version comes out for everyone. The entire user interface just feels much more alive now. The Control Center is the main hub for all your quick settings on the Apple TV. In tvOS 27, this menu is wildly responsive. When you swipe around through the different items on your remote, everything slides perfectly. Moving between the different tabs at the top of your screen feels completely fluid. There is absolutely no stuttering. There is no annoying lag when you click around the screen. It might sound like a small change, but it really makes using your television a joy. You will actually enjoy browsing through your menus again. Another massive improvement in this update involves AirPlay. Millions of people love to send videos or music from their iPhone straight to their big screen TV. It is a great feature, but it was not always perfect. In the past, AirPlay could sometimes take a few seconds to connect. Sometimes you would sit there waiting, and it would fail to connect entirely. It was frustrating. Well, Apple has completely fixed this annoying issue in the new update. The AirPlay connections are now incredibly fast. You can grab an older iPhone running last year's software and cast a video to the new Apple TV update. The connection happens almost instantly. It is an amazing quality of life upgrade for anyone who loves the Apple ecosystem. This awesome speed boost works both ways, too. Sending audio from your Apple TV to your external speakers is just as fast. Whether you use Apple HomePods or third-party audio systems, the sound connects immediately. Now, let us talk about one of the biggest application updates in this entire version. The Apple Podcasts app has been completely redesigned from the ground up. This app was seriously overdue for a change. The old design felt very clunky and outdated. It was hard to find what you wanted. The new version is absolutely beautiful and highly functional. It now fully supports both audio podcasts and video podcasts perfectly. Video podcasts are blowing up right now. They're becoming incredibly popular everywhere. Apple wants to make sure you can watch your favorite creators comfortably on your giant television screen. There's even a brand new section built into the app. This section highlights the very best video podcasts available right now. The layout is just much better organized overall. It features a completely new sidebar on the screen. This sidebar makes navigation incredibly simple for anyone. You can use it to jump quickly to different types of content. It lets you browse channels for Apple Fitness, Apple Music, and Apple News all in one place. There are also many different subcategories to CK from. This helps you discover new, amazing creators and shows based on what you actually like. It is a fantastic update. It truly makes the Apple TV a much better entertainment hub for your home. Since we're talking about keeping your entertainment safe and secure, I I want to take a quick second to mention good tech gear. If you travel a lot for work or take trips with your family, you know how important it is to protect your expensive gadgets. You need the right bags and cases. Urban Armor Gear makes some of the absolute best protective gear out there. They have a brilliant backpack that has tons of space. The front of the bag has a cool Velcro area where you can stick patches to make it your own. Inside, it has special spots for heavy power banks and a safe holder just for your sunglasses at the top. The back has padded pockets for both your laptop and your tablet. It keeps everything totally safe. They also make awesome tracking accessories that work directly with the Apple Find My network. They make a tiny tracking card that fits right into your wallet. If you drop it, your phone warns you instantly. They even have an AirTag holder that clips onto your backpack and doubles as a bottle opener. Having good gear keeps your digital life organized and safe when you step away from your TV. Next up on the Apple TV is a brand new feature that is actually quite mysterious. Apple is introducing something called Smart Downloads. The company did not give us many details about how this actually works during their big presentation. It simply shows up as a brand new option in the system settings. There are a few different theories about what this could mean. It is highly possible that the Apple TV will start automatically preloading your favorite television shows in the background while you sleep. This would be amazing. It would allow your high-quality videos to start playing instantly the second you hit the play button. No buffering at all. Another theory is that this feature allows for true offline playback. This would be super helpful for people who actually unplug their Apple TV and take it with them on vacations or hotel trips. However, that does not exactly sound like a smart feature. It sounds more like a manual download button. So, this is definitely a feature we need to keep a close eye on as the software gets closer to the final release. Apple Music is also getting some massive, highly anticipated upgrades in tvOS 27. The most exciting change is the addition of true lossless audio support. Specifically, the system now supports high-resolution audio up to 24-bit at 192 kHz. This is an absolute dream come true for audiophiles. If you love high-quality sound and have a great speaker system, you'll be blown away. You can easily turn this new feature on by digging into your system settings. There are 3 different audio quality options available inside the menu now. The brand new high-resolution lossless option sits right at the very bottom. The Music app also introduces some really fun new playback controls. You can now use auto mix and crossfade options for all your music playlists. Crossfade is awesome. It allows one song to fade out smoothly while the very next song begins playing. This completely prevents any awkward, silent gaps between your favorite tracks. If you turn on a crossfade option, you get to customize exactly how long the transition lasts. You can use a simple visual slider on your screen to adjust the seconds up or down. The default transition time is around 4 seconds. This cool feature makes your music playlist sound exactly like a professional radio station or a live DJ set right in your living room. To go perfectly along with the overall system speed improvements we talked about earlier, your music playlists now load much faster too. In the older software, clicking on a really large playlist could cause a brief, annoying pause. The system had to think for a second. Now, the music loads almost instantly. The moment you press the shuffle button, the first song starts playing without any hesitation at all. It makes browsing through massive, endless libraries of music feel completely effortless and fun. Let us move on to the settings menu. Apple has tucked away some really useful changes inside here that you need to know about. First, they have greatly improved the game controller settings. The Apple TV has quietly become a very capable little gaming machine over the last few years. Many people love to pair a wireless PlayStation or Xbox controller to play games from the App Store or Apple Arcade. With tvOS 27, adjusting your specific controller layout is a breeze. Managing your connected gamepads is much easier now. The system recognizes different controller models way faster than before. It also gives you much more precise control over custom button mapping for your games. Another very useful addition inside the settings menu is a brand new dedicated area for Apple Care and warranty data. In the past, checking your Apple TV device coverage could be a bit of a headache. You usually had to look up the serial number on a separate iPhone or log into a computer. Now, you can simply open the Settings app directly on your television. You just click on the General tab and select the new Apple Care option. This screen will instantly display your current coverage status. It shows you exactly how long your warranty lasts. It lists all of the specific service benefits that are available to you. It is a very clean, simple, and convenient way to check your device health at a quick glance. Finally, Apple is introducing a highly technical change that will actively help save storage space on your television box. They are now allowing app developers to create significantly reduced application sizes. Applications today often contain massive, bulky files from many different languages and regional settings. When you download a brand new app or a heavy game in tvOS 27, the system is super smart. It will look at your chosen location and default language. Then, it will automatically strip out all the extra language files that you simply do not need. This means the app takes up much less space on your local storage drive. If you happen to own an older Apple TV with very limited storage space, this is huge. If you download a lot of heavy video games, this change will be incredibly helpful for you. It keeps the system totally clean and leaves plenty of room for your actual shows, movies, and music. In my honest opinion, tvOS 27 completely breathes new life into the Apple TV. It proves that Apple still cares deeply about the living room experience. The incredible 30% speed boost alone makes this update absolutely worth it. Your device will feel brand new again. The crossfade feature in Apple Music and the completely revamped Podcasts app are just the icing on the cake. It turns an already great streaming box into the absolute best media center money can buy right now. The Apple TV is still the king of the living room, and this update proves it. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.